Madam Speaker, our reality is that as a small island economy with a tiny domestic market, low labor productivity, a weak educational system, a weak traditional firms investing in product development and innovative research, and with weak linkages to the global value chain. That's a characteristic of Jamaica. But the reality that we have today, in Jamaica today, does not have to be our destiny. The task for us, for all of us, the task for all of us as a nation must be to set out on a new path, to begin a journey of transition in our economy through improved productivity, which will create better paying jobs and lift the standard of living for all our people. That means we must adopt a comprehensive set of policies which will strive to tap into our natural creativity and to help us lift ourselves to higher technical levels globally. That is the only way that we can generate higher income sustainably, to strengthen the tax base, to finance the health, the education, the housing, and all the other benefits that people need. Only way. And Madam Speaker, it's the only way we can reduce poverty and crime in a sustainable way.